As movement instructors, it's easy to feel drained as so much of your work revolves around giving your energy, your focus, and your creativity. After a week of talking, cueing, crafting lesson plans, and being fully present for your clients, it's vital to prioritize ways to replenish yourself. This Somatic Self-Care workshop offers diverse techniques to restore your energy, from self-massage and alternate nostril breathing to dynamic shaking and more. Led by Allie Greene and inspired by her studies in body-mind centering, this workshop is designed specifically for you. While you might find inspiration to share with your clients, the true intention is to help you as the instructor refill your cup. Allie calls this experience a bottom-up conversation with yourself, providing tools, space, and encouragement to deeply tune in and listen to your body. We hope you enjoy this workshop and never stop learning.